If you already know the present tense and the past tense, which I think a lot of people, they already kind of got that down pat, even if they're not perfect, they understand it and they understand the conjugation. I'm not a Spanish teacher and I'm not gonna sit here and give you a lesson, but I'm gonna tell you what I think is the next step and how you should up your game a little bit from beyond the present and the past tense. The next thing I would learn is the subjunctive. The subjunctive is used when something is uncertain. Uncertainty comes with words like espero que, or phrases, or ojalá que, right? If you say espero que, it means I hope that. But it's not a certainty. You're hoping something, you're wanting something to happen. And so when it's not a certainty, after the word que, you're going to use the subjunctive form of the word, which could be venga, tenga, haya, espero que haya, or hayas. The subjunctive is used right after the word que. It's also used with ojalá, right? You hear that a lot. Ojalá que.
Espero que venga aquí.
Learning the subjunctive, I learned it honestly just by being around people and listening to Spanish, but I didn't even know I was using the subjunctive. I just got used to it. And I eventually said, you know what? I want to know why I'm using it. Why am I saying tenga instead of tienes or tiene? Why? And so I looked it up. I actually learned how to do it after I already spoke it. It was kind of weird, but I would suggest doing it the right way and, learning how to do it and when to do it. If I say yo como, like I eat, that's a certainty, right? I eat. It's like something that's certain. If you say something, I hope you eat. Espero que comas. You're hoping something. All you do is you change, which would be a e, right? Come or comes. You just change it to a. It's that simple. I mean, it's not that hard, but you just got to know when to use it, and that's kind of where the nuance is. Generally speaking, it's when something's uncertain, and especially with the words espero que y ojalá que. Moving on, learn the conditional. The conditional is very easy. Yo haría, yo comería, yo iría. It just means I would, right? I would. I mean, we use that in English all the time.
Yo andaría con cuidado en esos pueblos, pero sí.
When you say would have, hubiera, like I would have done. Yo hubiera hecho. I would have done. But look up the conditional. I'm not sure of all the proper names, like for example, preterite and imperfect, and I'm not good with that as far as the names of what each conjugation is called. I just know when to use them. But the conditional form, something that you definitely need to know because you want to be able to speak, right? You want to say, I would have. You want to be able to speak that way. So subjunctive, conditional, and the last one I want to mention is the future. And there's two ways to do the future. The most common way, verb ir, so voy, right? Voy, or él va, tú vas. Ellos van a ir a la fiesta. Yo voy a ir a la fiesta. Tú vas a ir a la fiesta. That's all future tense. But you can also use the true future tense, which is yo iré. Yo iré a la fiesta. I will go to the party. So you just simply put the accent on the I at the end. Yo iré.
Yo espero que os guste mucho. Yo iré avisando de cualquier novedad que surja.
Tú irás a la fiesta. Ellos irán a la fiesta. Those are ways of using the future. They will go. Yo comeré más tarde. Now, typically, if I was talking to somebody, I would say, yo voy a comer más tarde. It's just more natural, I think, speaking. But when I do use the future, like the actual future tense, is a lot of times in writing or text messages. So like, yo lo haré. It's just easier than saying, yo lo voy a hacer. It's shorter. You know what I mean? So learn the future tense, learn the subjunctive, and learn the conditional. Apart from the past and the present, and you'll be on your way. And really, just have a good ear. And remember the key, the two little words for the subjunctive. Espero que, ojalá que. Anytime you hear that, you're going to see subjunctive after it. It's going to be venga, tenga. It's not going to be viene, tiene, or tienes, vienes. No. That's wrong. Espero que venga. Espero que tenga. Know that, and you'll be good. I'm out. Ciao.